Hey guys, in this video I'd like to talk about motivation and how to get yourself to learn how to code. So this question has been asked to me a few times and it's always like, well, how do I just start? How do I start to learn how to code? How do I just write applications? For content, I am a self-taught software developer, so I did not go to a university, I did not go to a boot camp. No one forced me to do assignments and then I had to turn the assignments in. I had to motivate myself. So the first aspect that I'd like to talk about is that motivation is kind of overrated. So this idea that we're just gonna will ourselves to do something is not very practical. I'd like to break it down into something a bit more scientific. What I mean by scientific is instead of telling yourself, I need to be motivated to learn how to code, you should have a goal in mind, and this goal needs to be achievable. So, for example, if your goal is to get a job, which for the majority of you, your goal is going to be to go get a job, you need to focus on things that will help you get a job. Like, for example, learning web development, building websites for a portfolio that you can then one day show to an employer. Once you have the goal and you see it, it's going to be easier to code every single day. If you want to build your own startup or build your own website for your own business or use software for those goals, then you can just start building software and wait until you get to that point. The important thing about being motivated or just getting started is that you have a goal in mind. And I will give you an example why just walking into it and not having a goal isn't great. I'll give you an example. Like, for example, let's say you want to prepare for a marathon, right? And instead of like setting a goal and setting the type of exercises you need to do to prepare for the marathon, you just go into the gym and you just do whatever and you just try different things. Exercising is such a vast and open space. Is it really going to help if you keep doing bench presses to help you with your marathon? No, you're probably going to have to do more cardio. Software development works the exact same way. You should not start with this idea of, hey, I'm just going to learn JavaScript because JavaScript is massive and there is no programmer who knows every little detail about JavaScript, and that's not going to help you get a job, right? Just knowing every little niche, every little detail. It's about showing someone that you have the practical skills to apply them in a job scenario. So that is my personal advice. You need to cut out this whole, hey, I need to motivate myself, I need to motivate, and focus on having goals and then trying to achieve them and then reflecting on why you couldn't achieve the goals. And this can have you should break it down from having a long-term goal like getting a job to then having short-term goals like building projects that you can then send out to employers. So that's been my video. Thank you very much. And if you need any help, if you need any advice, always feel free to reach out. Always willing to help. And I will be making more videos. I hope you guys enjoy your day. See ya.